to describe your entrepreneurial journey from the beginning of time until right now in 60 seconds or less.
Yeah, I'll try to keep it brief. So thanks for having me, Kev. So yeah, for me, I played a ton of games growing up, right? So that was a good chunk of my life, ages 8 to 22 years old. So my lens of life is very much I just want to play, right? I think I just want to have fun every day, and so I used to think to myself, look, if I could just find something that feels like a game every day, I'm set, right? And luckily that happens to be business and marketing. So led had a dead end job coming out of school, didn't know what I wanted to do, and then from there, my friend who now works at Airbnb, she's like, you should check out this digital marketing thing. At that point, never looked back. Worked in tech for a little bit. I think you worked in tech for a little bit too, and then eventually got to taking over the agency I have, which is called Single Grain. Bought it for $2, and then the whole thesis behind that was to take all the cash flows from that and reinvest it in other areas and to build a holding company. So, got lucky that it all worked out, and other than that, I just enjoy creating content around marketing, just like you do, or business, and just hanging out.
I love that. Yeah, and your website or one of them is called Leveling Up. So like you really are a gamer at heart.
Yeah, I can't play anymore just because business is so fun. But yeah, it's how I see everything. So
Yeah. What's your all time, if you had to give an all time favorite video game? What would it be?
I don't know if you've heard of World of Warcraft, obviously, right? So there's
Yeah.
a
Of
game
course.
before that called EverQuest, and
Yeah.
I was like 12 or 13 years. So you know EverQuest? Yeah, I played a ton. So.